Hey guys, Evan here. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up product categories on your Wix website. Now, in order to do this, you actually need to set up a store on your Wix website. So if you haven't done that yet, I have a video you can click on the top right corner that's going to show you how to set up a store for your Wix website. But once you set up a store, you want to come over to the left-hand side here and go to where it says store products. And we want to go to where it says collections. Now, collections is just another word for a category on Wix's website. As you can see, we only have one collection here so far, which is just a collection of all of our products. But if we want to add a new collection or a new category, we can click on the top right here where it says plus new collection. And we can go ahead and give this new collection a name. I'm just going to say tutorial because this is a YouTube tutorial. And we can go ahead and add our products into this collection. So I'm going to click on where it says add products. And I'm just going to select these two products right here and click on where it says add. So now we have added these two products into our tutorial category, and we can go ahead and add a collection image if we want. I'm going to go ahead and click on where it says save. And now it's going to give us the option to add this collection to our website. So we do want to add this collection to our website. So let's go ahead and click on where it says add now. And this is going to open up the Wix website editor, and it might take a couple seconds to load, but now we can see that we can add this collection to our website. So again, I'm just going to title this tutorial and click on where it says create page. And so now we can see our brand new collection or category that we just created on our website, and it's available on this page that we just created for it. You also have the option to add this category or collection to an existing page on your Wix website as well. But I just decided to put it on its own page since it's its own category and I just want to keep everything separate. And if we ever want to change this collection, we can go to where it says choose collection and we can decide on whether or not we want to add a new collection or we can add one of our existing collections. So I can change this to all products and then it's going to display all of my products on this page. If I switch it back to my tutorial category, it's going to only display the products that I have added to that category. But that is how you can add a category to your Wix website. I hope this video helped you guys out. If it did, please leave a like. That's going to do it for this video. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope this helped you out.